All right, welcome to the fourth and final video in this series. We're looking at chapter 5.2, congruent polygons. So we have a couple of figures here, and the goal is to find the measure of angle number one. I'm going to be honest with you, when I was planning this video, I was thinking really hard about question number 7, and I just was so stuck on it that I didn't even realize that the solution was a lot easier than I had imagined. Okay. So we're trying to find angle number 1, which is right here. Okay. And notice how this angle has an arc symbol, okay? A single arc. Okay. Now the arc symbol is meant to tell us that any angle with the same symbol has the same measure, right? So this angle here, number 1, has the same measure as angle number A, but it also has the same measure as angle number D. Okay. All 3 angles share the same mark, so all 3 angles share the same measure. So since angle D is 33 degrees, that would mean that angle A is 33 degrees as well, and that would mean angle number 1 is also 33 degrees, right? It really doesn't get any simpler than that. My problem was that I was just overthinking it, and I wasn't even looking at the fact that these 2 angles had matching marks, so that they would have to have matching measures as well. All right, so let that just be a lesson that sometimes the problem is just staring you right in the face, and just be careful about overthinking a problem. All right, so question number 8, we want to find again the measure of angle 1. And so this angle has a single arc on it, and so does angle U. Okay, so if I can find the measure of this angle, then I will have my answer because angle 1 will be the same. So angle U is part of this triangle here. And what we know is that for any triangle, the sum of the 3 interior angles is 180 degrees. So we can write that 80 plus 54 plus whatever the measure of angle U is, right, will produce a sum of 180. All right, so let's go ahead and combine like terms. That's going to be 134 plus the measure of angle U equals 180. And then we can subtract 134 from both sides, and we'll get the measure of angle U, I believe, will be 46 degrees. All right, so now we can go ahead and write that in the diagram. Angle U is 46 degrees, and because angle 1 has the same mark as angle U, it's going to have the same measure. Okay, so this is going to equal 46 degrees as well. So all we did here is we used the triangle sum theorem, right, to find the missing angle in this blue triangle, and then we used the matching marks, the congruent marks, to find the measure of angle 1. All right, I hope you found these videos helpful, and I look forward to seeing you guys all in our Zoom meeting.